Now, line of fire might sound like you're standing in the crosshairs of a rifle, and that is kind of the fundamental idea. But look, make no mistake, being in the line of fire at work can actually be just as dangerous. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, it's one of the main causes of workplace death, excepting transportation incidents. So what does it mean exactly? Well, line of fire is actually shorthand for any hazard where you're physically in harm's way. Now, although we'll reference the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA, a lot in this training, you won't find this term in OSHA regulations specifically, but they are in a lot of the resources. It's a handy category used for a variety of risks, regulations, and tips that are aimed at keeping you safe from the hazards that are around you. Now, these dangers, they can exist anywhere, although they're most common in construction and manufacturing. But if you're not working in these areas, don't think you're safe. I'm going to challenge you today to think about your own particular workplace and how you're in the line of fire throughout. So, how many you encounter actually depends on the task that you're performing, the equipment that you're using, and the positioning of objects around you at any given moment. Staying safe's all about recognizing and then avoiding that line of fire. Okay, so in this course, we're going to cover 3 types of line of fire hazards, and you'll notice that there are some subcategories that I'll add in here for you. You have struck by, caught in or caught between, and then released energy. So as we go forward, I want you to consider these 3 keys to safety. First, always be aware of the hazards around you. Second, understand the machines and operations in your work area. And then third, I want you to think about the consequences of where you place your body before you take any action. Let's zoom in on the first line of fire topic, struck by hazards. You ready?